Hey class, we are into module 3. So we are 4 weeks in and we're on our third module, which is crazy to think about, but here we are. So I wanted to start by saying, there are certain advantages to virtual school and, learning from home, one of which is that you can finally wear your hats in class and I won't say a thing. Isn't that great? So I thought in honor of that, I would wear one of my hats for you. This is my Saprissa hat. It is for my husband's favorite soccer team. He is really struggling right now with the fact that there are no sports going on. He's been playing the FIFA game on the Switch a lot to try to make up for it and watching like a lot of old movies about sports. So we all miss things, but we're making do. So wear your hats and your hoods. You can wear those, your ear pods, all those things. Mrs. Barrantes won't say anything. Isn't that awesome? All right, so I wanted to just go over this week's module. We are starting a new unit, so to speak, this week. And the module that we're going to be, or the unit we're going to be focusing on is poetry. I love poetry. It is so fun, and we're going to do some fun things with it. A lot of people either love or hate poetry, but I would just ask you, give it a chance, because I think that you're going to find that there's a really cool way to express yourself in poetry. So to get started, I want to just kind of go through the module and also go through a few reminders. So first of all, your first reminder is that, of course, here on our Google Classroom, your assignments from this last module are due tonight. So make sure, or today at some point, so make sure that you finish those things and that you go through all of those assignments. Of course, the best way to look for them is under classwork, and that way you're going to be able to see all the things that are due tomorrow, because I'm making this at night, but when you see this, it will be the daytime, so make sure you're doing that. Okay, so now on to Module 3. Here is this week's stuff. So today our focus, or this week our focus, is on the structure of poetry. So poetry is different from prose because it's actually structured in a really unique way. And you're going to learn about that this week. So here are your steps. You want to watch this video. And then what you're going to do is you are going to go through the slideshow, but it's a little bit different. This week, we actually made it with some Pear Deck slides, which are interactive, which means that you get to answer right on the slide, and you don't have to do a bunch of different check-ins and a bunch of different assignments. The only assignments you'll be doing are 2 response assignments on Google Docs that I've linked here as well, and I'll show you. So I'll show you that in a minute, and then you're going to complete a poetry analysis assignment. You're going to complete a poetry writing assignment. Don't worry, I promise it will be fun. They're fun little short poems that you get to do. And then you need to complete your Module 3 reflection survey. So let's go and see what those look like. So here on your assignment, you're going to notice that instead of showing the slideshow, it actually says sign in Google accounts. Now this is because the slideshow has been set up as a Pear Deck slideshow. And you may have done this in some of your other classes. But in case you haven't, you're going to click on this. It may ask you to sign in with your Google accounts, but it shouldn't. And then you get to check in like how you're feeling today. If you don't want to do that, you can skip it. So I'm going to be like, woohoo. And then I get to start my assignment. So when you go through this, it's like going through a slideshow. But instead of just going through the slideshow, it actually is going to also give you some interactive things to do while you're doing the slideshow. So it's pretty cool. So instead of doing anything separate, you just get to kind of go on these things and do that as well. So you get to do that all on your own. I'm not going to go through every slide, but make sure you read everything because the information is really important. And then all of those interactive pieces, you're going to want to make sure you participate in. Okay? All right. So the next thing that was on here is your poetry analysis paper. So this right here is your poetry analysis paper, and I have put a poem right here, and then I have questions about the structure of the poem over here. So once you've done the Pear Deck and you learned all about this stuff, then you're just going to answer these questions about this poem. Once you've done that, then you're going to be able to turn it in. All right, so then we're going to go back to our assignment. Back to our assignment. And then your last thing that's an assignment that you get points for is your original poetry writing assignment, which I have right up here for you. And you are going to go to this website right here. It's called 30 Days of Poetry. And you're going to choose 3 different styles of poems. This is the site. And there's all different types of poems here. And if you select any of these, what they're going to do is they're going to give you some specific instructions about how to write a poem in this format. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, after you've used that and written your own, you're going to copy those onto here. You're going to tell me what type of poem they are, and then you're just going to explain a little bit about the poem and why you wrote it. Now, remember, these are original poems. That means you wrote the poem. You can't copy somebody else's and say that it's yours. That's plagiarism. Don't do that. All right, so back to our classroom. All right, once you've done that, then please go ahead and fill out the Google Forms survey. You guys know that just helps us out because it lets me reflect on how the module went for you, what are you understanding, and if there's anything we need to adjust for future modules. Some of the feedback that you have given us has helped us to modify some things, like having more interactive things happening throughout it, and then the way that we're structuring it, so on and so forth. So that is all that I have for you today. And in the meantime, enjoy wearing your hats and your hoodies and having your earbuds in and spending some time with your families at home. I hope that you're well. Goodbye.